Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a responsive vertical timeline using HTML and CSS3. So here is a project that we're going to create it. So those are my data and this is the normal screen size of the page. When you will decrease the size, you will get the different results like this one, and you will get the small screen size result like this one. Just a minute. Right, so I'm going to show you how you can create that. So I open my code editor. Inside they have a basic structure of HTML and have a style.css. This is the empty style.css. Also I have a data inside my txt.md. So let's get started to create a responsive vertical timeline. So write the header tag. Inside the header tag I'm going to use container class. Inside the container class I'm going to add the h1. Also we're going to use the font awesome to display the trophy, and then let's say f solid, f trophy, right. So inside the h1 I'm going to use the responsive timeline, right. So after the header section, I need to use the section start, section close. So inside there I need to call the section ID will be timeline. So I need to use UL-li. Inside the li I will need to use div tag. Inside the div tag I will use h3, and I need to get the content from there, like first one, get that and paste on there. And then you need to use paragraph lorem 20. Then just need to get this one data and paste second time, and you need to get that and paste on there. So I will add that, then I will come back. Okay guys, so once you add all of the content inside the align section, then you can use the CSS to manage it. So first we're going to save that and open it in the live server. Just a minute, I'm going to show you in a live server. So here is our content. So we're going to use CSS to manage it. So I'm going to close that, and the first thing is you need to reset the property. Padding 0, margin will be 0, box sizing border box, and I'm going to use font family will be Poppins sans serif. Then I need to select my container. Inside the container have a responsive timeline text like this one, and also have icon. So I will use max width will be 140 pixel, 1440 pixel, and width will be 100%. And I'm going to use margin 0 and auto because I want to display the content in the center. Then I will select the body tag. In the body tag I will use background will be DDD light gray, and color will be black. Also I need to use overflow X, means right and left side will be hidden because I don't need to display the scroll bar. Also I will use padding bottom in the body section 50 pixel because I want to make a space. So let's check it now, right? Perfect. Then I need to select my main header tag. Inside there have a content, so I will use padding top and bottom, and text align will be center. Perfect. So let's check it now. Perfect. But I think I need to check that. Okay, I need to use class man hero ID. I will use ID sound, right. Perfect. Let's move on the another section. Another section have a main header, have a h1. In the h1 I need to change the font size. So font size will be 2.5 rem, and also have a main header I tag means icon, so I need to make a space 0 and 1 rem. 0 means top and bottom, left and right are 1 rem, right. So this is a very important section. We're gonna create a timeline, right? So the first thing is you need to select timeline. Let me share with you like this one. Inside they have all of the content. So this is our timeline section. All of the content is appeared inside the UL. So we need to select the UL tag and use padding 50 pixel top and bottom, left and right. I need to use 0. First we're gonna save it and let's check it now, right? And then we need to select the timeline UL ally tag. We need to remove the bullets, so I need to use list style none, and I need to use position relative. Width will be 6 pixel, margin top and bottom 0, left and right auto. Then I need to use the padding top 50 pixel because just a minute, I'm going to show you in a minute. I will create a complete line, right? So in a minute you will see. This is a color 3 C3 C, yes, create a line. So first we're gonna save it and let's check it now, right? Our timeline, our line is ready now on the browser. Perfect. Next one, we need to create a boxes, right? So the first box, second box, so those are boxes, so we're gonna use that boxes. So select the timeline UL tag li, inside there have a div tag, so I need to use position relative, bottom will be 0, and we need to assign the width. I'm gonna assign the width 400 pixel, padding all side 1 rem, and background I will use white. Also I will use the transition 0.5 SA in out, and border radius 5 pixel, box shadow I will use that 10 pixel, zero 0.5. So let's check it now on the browser, right? So our boxes and our timeline is ready now, right? Let's change the position right side and left side. So the first thing is right side, boxes right side. So I need to use the timeline UL ally nth child, and then I need to use out and select the div, assign the position 40 pixel. So let's right, and then we need to select the same thing, but this time and this will be left side. So in the left side I need to change even, and also we need to change the value negative 434, right? Perfect. Then we need to add the dot inside the timeline, right? So I need to select timeline UL ally colon after, content will be none, and position will be absolute, left will be 50%, bottom will be 0, width will be 25 pixel, height will be 25 pixel, and I'm going to use the background will be hash CB4335, and yeah, so first we check it now, right? But I want to display that in the center of the timeline, so I need to use the transform translate x negative 50%. So let's check it now, right? And I want to use that as rounded, so I need to use border radius 50%. So and let's check it now, right? Perfect. So I think everything is perfect on there, so let's move on the next one to display the arrow. Alright, so right side arrow, but before using that I need arrow base. So select the timeline, div tag before, content will be none, position will be absolute, bottom will be 5 pixel, width will be 0, right will be 0, and border style solid. Once you add that, you can't see any changes inside the browser, just display the only sign like this one, as you can see. So we need to manage it by using, I'm going to show you, right side arrow. So I need to select the timeline, UL, li, nth child. I need to select that, select the odd, div before. So you need to use the left, will be negative 15 pixel, and we need to use border width will be 8 pixel, 16 pixel, 8 pixel, and 0 pixel. Last thing you need to add that will be border color. I'm gonna add that white. So let's check it now. Where it is, I can't see right now, but I think just a minute, I'm gonna check that timeline UL li. 0 pixel, so yeah, I can't see the arrow bar. Just a minute, I will make a space. Yeah, as you can see guys, and this is a border is appeared inside the right side boxes, but we need to manage it by using what? So left will be 15 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, 8 pixel, and okay, I will use that will be transparent. So I think it should be displayed perfectly. Yes, as you can see, the arrow is appeared inside the right side boxes, but also we need to display the boxes in the left side. So I need to get that and paste on there, and this is a left side arrow, and the left side you need to change that will be away, right, and use all of the same thing, but inside there you just need to change that will be 8 pixels, 0 pixel, 8 pixel, and this will be 16 pixel. So on right, as you can see, but I want to move this one in the right side, so I need to use right will be 15 pixel, right, as you can see. Perfect. So it is not responsive right now, but we will use the media query to make it as a responsive. Right, so let me share with you how you can use that. So I will select the media, and max width will be 900 pixel, and 900 pixel I will use the timeline UL div tag, and I need to change the width 350 pixel, right? So, and first we're gonna check it now, right? So this is a 350 pixel width of the boxes, right? So next one we need to select the right side timeline UL li nth child, and select the odd, and say they have a div, and we need to use the left will be 40 pixel. This is a size, right, and in the left side I need to get that, and this will be even, and the even I will change that will be negative 350, not 380. I think it should be display perfect. Yes, as you can see guys, right, everything is clear on there. Let's move on the next one, position. So in the small screen size I need to select my another media query. So it's media max width, I think 768 pixel is best. Inside there I will use the same thing like no, just a minute, I'm going to show you in a minute where I have used the margin auto. Where just a minute, I'm going to show you the margin I have used inside the timeline. Yeah, on there. So I've used the timeline ULLI tag margin 0 and auto, means I want to display the content in the center, means timeline display the center. But in the small screen size I need to just change all of the things, means remove the things and use margin left will be 30 pixel. First we're gonna save it and let's check it now in the 768 pixel. Right now, as you can see, don't focus on this one, just focus on them. And last thing I need to add that will be when it will hit 768 pixel, then I want to cover all of the box in the whole size of the browser. So I need to use timeline ULLI nth child and no timeline ULLI div. So inside there I need to use width and target my calculate function. Inside there have a complete browser width will be 100 VW. So I need to use negative by 90 pixel. When you save it, and as you can see, and right now as you can see guys, perfect. Let's work on the left side content. In the left side content, timeline UL, and this is perfect, but in the left side content, so I need to select timeline ULLI nth child, and there I need to use even there, and I need to use left will be 40 pixel, right, perfect. Okay, but I need to change the arrow position, so I need to use the timeline ULLI nth child. We need to select the even div before, so I need to use left will be 15 pixel, and I need to use border width will be 8 pixel, 16 pixel, same size that I used on earlier, and I use border color transparent, and this is our color. So, and check it now, not on there. Okay, I need to use negative on there. Right now, as you can see guys, so our timeline is ready now, and this is small screen size. When you will move on the small screen size, it will change the size of the box. when you will hit the large screen size, as you can see. So this is a complete responsive vertical timeline. I hope you are understood as well how you can create that. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.